Hello everybody, today I am going to show you how to make French crepes. For this you will need 1 cup maida, 2 eggs, half cup milk, 3/4 cup water, half teaspoon salt. This part is optional but I like to add a few drops of vanilla essence and 2 tablespoons of butter. First we will mix the dry ingredients. Now we will mix the wet ingredients. I have now mixed the wet and dry ingredients. We will add the wet ingredients to the dry part by part and mix it well. The batter is ready and we're going to let it sit overnight in the fridge, or if you have limited time you can keep it for 1 hour. We're going to put cling wrap on it. I've let it sit for overnight and our crepe batter is ready. If your batter is thick like mine, you can add some water. Now we will start cooking the crepes. Now we will make a tangy and tasty lemon sugar syrup for the crepes topping. For this we will need half cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 tablespoons butter and some water. that is ready, and now we're going to put the syrup on it. Look at how thick it has become. It's time for tasting. I'm going to fold the crepe so that it's easier to eat. Now we are going to make the syrup. Now we will make the topping for our lemon syrup. Wow. Topping for lemon syrup. A sugar lemon. What? I'm crazy. Okay. It's mine.